Hi guys, this is Eva from Bay Harbor Med Spa, and you asked me if microneedling is suitable or can it be used to treat ingrown hairs and discoloration. So the answer is a twofold answer. Microneedling cannot be used by itself to eliminate ingrown hairs or discoloration on your legs. However, if you use it in conjunction with crystal microdermabrasion exfoliant scrub that I make, and you use my mandelic acid, which helps to lighten the discoloration around your hair follicles, and you want a little stronger delivery system into your skin, then you could use the micro needle roller to use on your legs, and it would come with instructions so that you will allow and create little micro channels, and you will allow the absorption of the mandelic acid, which helps to lighten the discoloration, to go a little deeper under the epidermis, and it would deliver it a little bit deeper. It's the same thing when you would use my lightning treatment. You can use microdermabrasion, and you can use the microneedling roller to help the delivery of my lightning arbutin lightning treatment onto the area that you want to lighten, be it your face or under eyes. Yes, but by itself, just to use the micro needling roller, no, it won't work. It has to work in synergy and in conjunction, one, the other one, and the third one. Because you guys have to understand that what the microneedling roller does, basically, it creates very, very small micro channels. So the needles go around the skin and they poke the skin. And by poking the skin, they create these little channels. And then you are able to apply within 15 minutes post the treatment. You are able to apply the product on your skin, and it really takes only about 15 minutes immediately post the rolling of the microneedle roller treatment, when you created a microchannel, before the skin closes, before the pores sort of shrink, the epidermal layer shrinks, and then the skin comes down. So you can use it, but it has to be in conjunction with other treatments before, and then treatment after, or products after, so that you can achieve a better penetration, better absorption into the skin, faster results. But just by itself, no. I created these micro channels, and what now? If you only use that, so what now? So the skin is ready, but what are you doing with it? You have to put something there in order for it to penetrate into the skin. So that's what has to be done. So just by itself, no, it won't work. It has to be working together with whatever the product appropriate for the particular skin condition is. So it is an aid to speed up the delivery system into the skin. By speeding up the delivery system, the absorption is deeper, is faster, and therefore the results will be a bit faster of the particular problem that you have. For instance, I have formulas for dry skin or wrinkles, and I want to deliver something into the skin. It's like an infusion. So I have a particular medium, a particular formula of a product that after you, or I do the treatment clinically, we then put this infusion of what I make, specifically, let's say, for wrinkles, for lines, for discoloration, and it absorbs it into the skin, and then you see very good results. So I hope that I answered your question. Can the microneedling roller by itself help or eliminate the ingrown hairs and the discoloration? So the answer is no, but in conjunction with the mandelic acid or the arbutin lightening treatment and the microdermabrasion, then absolutely yes. Thank you for asking. I'll be back again. Ciao, bye, everyone.